Hello traders, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about how you can purchase a new product from MQL5.com and how you can use it on your charts. So please be with us in this video and you will learn a lot of details about it. Okay, the first topic I'm going to talk about is how you can find MQL5 website. If you're not familiar with this website, you can easily search MQL5.com in your address bar and you will get there easily. If you want to get to our page, just enter Taher Halimi in here in the search bar and you will find our page here. And here on the seller tab, you will find all of our products that are ready for sale or you can test them on your back tester. Okay, first let's talk about how you can sign up in this website. Here in the top right of the page, there is a create an account button that when you come here, you will see a login and your email and you can easily register or you can log in with your Google account. It's really easy. You just need to pick a name and you will enter your email here and you will be in. I didn't want to sign up there because I know most of the traders are not familiar with MQ5 websites, so I will do it from here, the platform. On the top right again here on the platform, you will see two tabs, login, create account. I have an account which is alireza.saidian, and if you want to create an account here again, you need to choose a name and you should enter your email. Okay, assume that you don't have an account with MQL5.com, so I will open one account here for you. I enter the name and I enter an email here. I'm going to register to see how it is working. Okay, you can see here that they have sent me a login and a password, and the thing I need to do is to activate my account. So I will click on activate account to see what happens next. So I activated it. It's good. And now after activation, I use the login name and the password to log in. And you can see here, I have an account. I am logged in. And now I want to see how I can buy a product. There is a tab here in the view and navigator. And if you open it with Control N or you just click on this, you will see this tab here. And if you right click on the if you right click on the market or click even on it, you will see this page here, a new tab alongside with your charts, and you can easily search the product that you want to use. So here I'm going to search one of our products on MQL5, which is a wave trend oscillator indicator for MetaTrader 5. Going to search the name wave trend oscillator, and you can see our products here. When I click on it, it will open here. I've downloaded the demo, and if I hadn't downloaded the demo, you would be able to see the demo download button right here. And if you want to purchase this indicator, you can buy easily by clicking on buy button, and you will see the price here. Uh, there is a description on overview for this indicator. You will get a lot of useful information about this product, or even you can see the screenshots of the user interface of this indicator, all the settings. It's really easy. And after that, you can buy this product really easy. So when you click on buy, you will see the price and different payment methods. And here you can click on Visa or Master. I'm clicking on Visa, and you should enter your card details. And after that, if you click on pay, payment will be completed. And after that, you can easily use this product on your navigator, on your platform. Right here, it will be added. somewhere in your market. As you can see, it has different sections, experts, indicators, libraries, and you can easily download them. And in the end, please follow us, give us a like, leave a comment, ask your questions, and please support us. Thank you.